Dear students, very good morning. Today we will discuss about the chemical method of pest management. Chemical method of pest management. What is chemical method of pest management or what is chemical pest management? Chemical pest management may be defined as the procedure or operation of managing the pest through application of chemical toxicant. Chemical toxicant. When we apply chemical toxicant in order to reduce the pest incidence either in field or go down or anywhere, in order to lower down the pest incidence below economic threshold level, then the process of pest management is known as chemical pest management or chemical management of the pest fauna. Pest control refers to the operation of regulation or management of a species, management of pest species defined as pest, usually because it is perceived to be detrimental to the person's health, crop, domestic and pet animals, our environment, economy. As we have already discussed in our very first lecture, what is pest? Pest has been derived from the word pestis, which is said to be Latin or Greek in origin, and pestis means plague, or pestis means to cause annoyance. That means any living organism, whether flora or fauna or any other microorganism which are capable to cause economic damage to our crop, economic damage to our domestic and pet animals, economic damage to our stored product, then that case the organism which is causing economic damage are known as pest. The principal objective of pest control is to protect the crop by maintaining the attack of pest, by maintaining the status of attack of the pest and diseases at an acceptable level, and the acceptable level is economic threshold level of the pest. There are various methods of pest control. As we have already enumerated those different methods of pest management or pest control, that is monitoring of pest survey, monitoring of the pest through survey, chemical method, physical method of pest control, cultural method of pest control, mechanical method of pest control, biological method of pest control, legal method of pest control, and lastly chemical method of pest control. And all these 6 or 7 methods of pest control, they can broadly be classified into non-chemical method of pest control or chemical method of pest control. That means the method of pest control encompassing pest survey and monitoring, control through physical means, control through mechanical means, control through cultural means, control through legal means, control through biological means. All these are non-chemical method of pest management. And in addition to that, some chemical toxicants are also applied to manage the pest, and that chemical tools are very effective, or we can say that they are most effective in suppressing the pest population below economic threshold level. So today right now we are going to discuss about chemical method of pest control. What is chemical control of pests? It is the pest control operation. It is the pest management operation using chemical pesticide. It is known as chemical control of pest or chemical method of management of pest or chemical pest management. A pesticide is a chemical used to prevent, destroy or repel the pest. Depending upon the mode of action of the toxicant, chemical toxicant, they may be able to prevent the crop against the pest through destruction of pest, by repelling the pest, by attracting the pest, by regulating regulating the different growth stages of the pest in negative way. And the methods are able to combat pests and diseases occurring on our crop, livestock and our possessions. So we can use chemical toxicant to combat the pest, the diseases occurring on our crop, livestock and our valuable possessions. Classification of pesticide. Pesticides are classified in different ways. Herbicides are classified in different ways. As sphere of activity, that means as sphere of activity in terms of the organism or the animal fauna which are treated as pest based on their zoological classification. That means if the toxicant is able to control mite pest, then that toxicant is known as acaricide. If the toxicant is capable to cause mortality or able to suppress the population of insect, then it is known as insecticide. And if the toxicant is capable to cause killing of fungal pathogen which are able to transmit disease, then that toxicant is known as fungicide. If the toxicant is able to cause mortality against mollusks, snail and slugs, then toxicant is known as molluscicide. If the toxicant is able to cause mortality for nematode pest, then the toxicant is known as nematicide. If the toxicant is capable to cause mortality to the rodent pest, rodents or rats, then that toxicant is known as rodenticide. If the toxicant could be able to cause mortality of the bacterial pathogen which are causing disease in our crop plant, then that toxicant is known as bactericide or antibiotics. So based on the organism, class of organism, their nomenclature has been made. As such, acaricide are those chemicals which are used to control ticks and mites. Example is dicophol, vegetable sulfur, then aspiromycin, phenazaquin, proparzide, etc. Insecticides are those chemicals which are used to control insect pest. Example are so many: profenophos, carbofuran, fipronil, malathion, dimethoate, diaphantheron, etc. etc. Fungicides are those chemicals which are used to control fungal pathogen which are causing disease to our crop plant. are known as fungicide. Example are so many. For example, carbendazim, mancozeb, and their combination, vegetable sulfur, etc. etc. Nematicide are those chemicals which are able to kill nematode pest. Example are Nemagon, Nemaphos, and carbofuran is also having nematicidal action. So carbofuran can be also placed in as an example of nematicide. The rodenticide are those chemicals which are able to kill rats by various mode of action. Example are warfarin, zinc phosphide, etc. Then antibiotics or bactericide are those chemicals which are able to kill bacterial pathogen which are capable to cause disease in our crop plant. Example are streptomycin, plantomycin, etc. Herbicides are those chemicals which are used against weeds. Examples are 2,4-D, isoproteron, butachlor, petilachlor, glyphosate, atrazine, etc. etc. And nematicide are those chemicals which are used to control nematode pest. Example are Nemaphos, Nemagon, Nemaphos, carbofuran, etc. Rodenticide are those chemicals which are used against rat. Example are warfarin, coumarin, zinc phosphide, etc. Classification based on mode of action or mode of entry, and on the basis of this mode of action or mode of entry, their class are contact poison, systemic poison, and fumigant. When the action of these chemicals follows the action between the contact of the body of insect and insecticides, then the toxicant or insecticide is known as contact insecticide. When these chemicals move within the plant tissue through the vascular bundle of the plant, that is xylem and phloem, and toxicity of the toxicant operates through systemic action in plant. Then when the pest feed on that very any part of the plant, particularly through sucking method, sucking system, by inserting their proboscis, then the insect get killed. And in this case, the toxicant is known as systemic poison. Example is carbofuran, fipronil, imidacloprid, esentamprid, thiomyxam. And when the toxicant acts by its vapor action, volatile action, then the toxicant or insecticide is known as fumigants. Example is methyl bromide, carbon disulfide, zinc phosphide, aluminum phosphide, etc. Chemical constituent. Classification of insecticides or pesticides based on their chemical constituents, whether they are plant origin or animal origin. Based on that, they can be classified as botanical compounds or botanical insecticides or plant-based insecticides. Plant-based insecticide, botanical pesticide, both are synonymously used. An example is pyrethroids produced by ground flower of daisy, scientifically known as Chrysanthemum cinereifolium. And synthetic organic compounds, that means those compounds, they are organic in nature, but they can be synthetically produced in laboratory. Those are called as synthetic organic compounds. And synthetic organic compounds are broadly classified into subgroups, that is organochlorine, organophosphate and carbamate. And neonicotinoid group of insecticides, fourth one. Then synthetic pyrethroids. So what is organochlorine inside? Which contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and chlorine. Then they are known as organochlorine. Example is DDT, aldrin, dicophol, which is an acaricide, and of organic belonging to organochlorine group. Organophosphate phosphorus. They are made up of organic molecules containing phosphorus. Organic molecule, the insecticides which are made up of organic molecules containing phosphorus, they are known as organophosphate, organophosphatic insecticide or organophosphorus insecticides or OP compounds. Example are so many. Organophosphorus is having largest members of insecticide. This is malathion, indosulfan, dimethoate, profenofos, etc. etc. And carbamate. Structurally, these compounds are esters of unstable carbonic acid. And this category is known as carbamate insecticides. Example are carbofuran. Microbial compounds. Some insecticides are derived from microorganisms. So they are known as microbial compound or microbial pesticide or microbial insecticide. If the microbial compound is able to kill insecticide, then it is known as microbial insecticide. If the microbial compound is able to kill fungus, then it is known as microbial fungicide. Commercially produced insecticide from the natural pathogens of insect, that is Bacillus thuringiensis, is the best example of microbial compounds. In addition to certain bacteria which are used to produce microbial insecticide, some viruses are also available which are used for manufacturing virus-based insecticide. Example is NPV or GV. NPV means nuclear polyvirus virus, GV means granulomatous virus. And NPV are more common, it is more popular, it is easier to produce, but virus-based insecticides are specific in nature. That means the NPV which is derived from Helicobacter pylori is known as HA-NPV, and it is only effective against Helicobacter pylori. The NPV which is produced from Aspidoptera litura, it is known as SL-NPV, and it is only effective against Aspidoptera litura. And the NPV which are produced from Aspilosomia obliqua, that is Bihar caterpillar, then it is called SO-NPV, and this SO-NPV is only effective against Aspilosomia obliqua, that is Bihar caterpillar. So all the NPV are a species, a specific insecticide. It is the best example of selective insecticide. It is the best example of selective microbial pesticide. Then IGR or growth regulator. IGR means, full form of IGR is insect growth regulator. These are novel compounds which inhibit synthesis in insect, which inhibit the different growth stage of the insect. An example is Applaud, which is used against brown clodhopper, or Atabrai, which is used against Cabe caterpillar. Then Cascade is a brand chitin inhibitor, which inhibit formation of chitin. If the formation of chitin is disturbed, then growth of the insect will be greatly hampered, and full growth and development of the insect will be not occur. They will be hampered. In that way, they cannot complete their life cycle, and in that way, we can manage them through hindering their growth stages. And next is synthetic pyrethroids. Certain pyrethroids are synthesized in laboratory, and they are used against so many insect pest species by using very low doses as compared to organochlorine compound, OP compound and carbamate compound. Types of pesticide formulation. The technical product of the pesticide cannot be used directly in the field or in ground because they are not stable. Their dosage cannot be practical for operation in the field because a small amount cannot be used in larger area. So keeping in view their unstability and easiness of application in the field condition or practical purposes, they are formulated in different forms, and that forms are dust form, grain form, emulsifiable concentrate, that is EC, flowable formulation, wettable powders formulation, poisonous baits, soluble powder, wettable powder, soluble powder, soluble granule, etc. etc. Dust are the solid product which are found in the form of dust, and dust formulation are used in the field because without mixing in any other material. It is directly used either as soil application or foliar application based on the objective of the pest control. When it is used against the soil inhabiting pest, then it is used as soil application. Just after preparation or just before last plowing of the field, and it may also be used as foliar application, but foliar application must be applied to combat the foliage pest, and the operation must be followed during morning hours when morning dews are present on the foliage of the plant, so that the dust particle can adhere on the target site where pest will be there and pest will be killed. And another formulation is granule formulation, that is when some pesticides are formulated in the form of granules. And granules are applied also as soil application or as just like broadcasting of fertilizer. depending upon the situation of crop, type of crop and crop condition, and the nature and kind of the pest which attack on the crop. Example are carbofuran, fipronil, etc. In case of maize, the granules are applied in the whole of the plant. Few grains, 10 to 15 granules are applied in each whole of the maize in order to combat the attack of maize stem borer. Next is emulsifiable concentrate, that is aspirable formulation, and the formulation is found in liquid, and this is dissolved in water to prepare aspirate solution, aspirate fluid, and each and every insecticide has the different dosage, certain dosage, and certain dosage, a certain amount of toxicant is dissolved in water for application of the toxicant over the standing crop to combat the pest problem. Some are flowable also, some are aquaflow also, some are vegetable powder. They are in dust formulation, appears to be dust formulation, but particle size is much lesser as compared to dust formulation, and these are dissolved in water for preparing aspirate solution, and the aspirate solution thus made by the vegetable formulation of the insecticide is applied over the standing crop. Then some poisonous baits. For example, for management of rats, some zinc phosphide are mixed with flour of roasted gram mixed with some edible oil and gur, jaggery, so that rat can be able to feed upon them, and ultimately they will get killed. Application of pesticide. Pesticide, as I have already enumerated, different formulation of pesticide, that is dust, granule, aspirate formulation, baits, poison baits, etc. So, in order to easier application, effective application of the toxicant, in order to protect our crop, we cannot spray the pesticide over the standing crop without application of any equipment. So certain equipment has already been prepared by different companies which are used to apply the pesticide, and that application of pesticide may be applied through dusters. Dust is applied through dusting machine. A sprayer can be applied through a spraying machine. A spraying machine may be of different types, and numerous ways, but knapsack sprayer is the most and widely used by our farmers. It may be manually operated, it may be motor-based application also, motorized application also. Advantage and disadvantage of chemical pest control. Among all the pest control methods, that is right from physical method, mechanical method, biological method, cultural method, the most effective method is chemical method of pest control. These methods are able to manage the pest very quickly, very effectively. So advantage is it is cost effective, timely control, flexibility, it has certain flexibility in application of the pesticide also. Quality, quantity and price of the produce is also good in case of judicious application of pesticide is used for protecting the crop. The pest problem can be prevented up to the desired level. Protection of the environment can also be taken into account if we apply the pesticide based on its injudicious manner. Blind application of insecticides are very injurious for the environment, for the ecosystem also, for the applicator also. So need-based and judicious application of pesticide are advised, right dose, right time, right method of application as and when required are advocated. Disadvantage of this chemical method of pest control. It is very good, very efficient method of pest control, although, but it has so many disadvantages also if we are not follow the right procedure of application, right decision, right time of application, right amount of pesticide, right stage of the crop. Then in that case, so many disadvantages or demerit of the chemical pesticide are there. And the disadvantages are pest resurgence, pest outbreak, secondary pest outbreak, that means imbalance use of injudicious use of chemical insecticide, chemical method of pest control can cause pest resurgence in pest, outbreak in pest, cause imbalance of nature, cause pollution in soil, water and air, cause they can leave residue in the crop produce, that is food and fodder. They can cause hazards to the human being. So we can eliminate in that way reduction of beneficial species, reduction of non-target organism, including the predators and parasites of pests which are present in the ecosystem. Depth of the spray and vapor emerged during the application can cause severe damage and residue problem in crops as well as in the environment. Residue in food for human and feed for livestock. Groundwater contamination may also be produced by injudicious use of chemical pesticide through leaching process. Resistance to the pesticide in the pest fauna are also is a concern. So resistance to the pesticide use can develop in target pest due to overuse and incorrect use of chemical and overuse of chemical, repeated use of chemical. Poisoning hazards and other health effects. Poisoning hazards and other health effects can also be caused by chemical pesticide. So care and caution must be taken while handling of the pesticide right from storage to the application to the field. So thumb rule is right time of the pest application, right dose of the application, right method of application should be considered, and blind use of pesticide and misuse use of pesticide should be prohibited. So these all cautions must be taken during the application and handling of the pesticide. And in conclusion, we can say pest control refers to the operation of regulation or management of the pest species, management of the species that defined as pest, usually because it is perceived to be detrimental to a personal health and ecological health and our economy. The chemical pest control has given more benefits to control pest in an efficient and effective way. If the pest control operation is judiciously and rationally applied. Though they have brought constant, they are one of the best way to control the pest. Though the chemical method of pest control have so many constant also, as I have enumerated just now, but they are one of the best way to control pest. If the caution and care is applied through judicious application of pesticide at right time, right dose, based on needs. Thus, a proper usage of chemical pest management will give more benefits in agriculture. Thank you. After that, I wish to stress upon what are the prerequisites of pesticide application, what are the prerequisites of pest control. Prerequisites are we should know about holistic knowledge of pest and their natural enemy. Holistic knowledge about crop. Holistic knowledge about agro-ecosystem, where the crop and the pest are present. And holistic knowledge of optimal use of plant protection inputs, different plant protection inputs. We should know about merits and demerits of each and every tools of pest control, that is right from monitoring of pest fauna, application of physical method of pest control, application of mechanical method of pest control, application of chemical method of pest control, application of biological method of pest control, application of legal method of pest control. We should have a holistic knowledge of all these parameters